साबिक अमरीकी असिस्टेंट सेक्रेटरी ऑफ स्टेट बराए पॉलिटिकल मिलिट्री उमूर जनरल मार्क कॉमेंट ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान को अमरीकी सदर का एतमाद हासिल है। पाकिस्तान अमरीका ईरान तनाज़े में सालिसी की सलाहियत रखता है। पाकिस्तान ने सालिसी का किरदार संभाला और शानदार अंदाज में अपनी जिम्मेदारी निभाई।
And this precedes the conflict. There was a chemistry between Field Marshal Munir and President Trump that has really benefited both Pakistan and the United States with regards to this. Or Pakistan has the confidence of the President of the United States as the country to not only be an intermediary, but to mediate this conflict. And so I think that because Oman became part of the fight, unfortunately for them, they no longer can be seen as a neutral observer. Pakistan has stepped into that role and has done a brilliant job.